Hi everyone. Today we're going to be working on our animated GIF through pixilart.com. We're right on the website, so we're going to just click Start Drawing. Today we're going to use the 32 by 32. Clicking off those ads. I am going to just do one layer today. It's going to be very, very simplistic. I'm not even going to give it a background. I'm just going to do one layer. I'm going to create a smile that will have a mouth that goes up and down. And I might add a wink in there if I'm feeling exciting. So I'm just going to give him an eye, hopefully one that's not all wonky, and another eye. And we'll give him a little smile. There we go. We have kind of a simple smile. Now, I'm going to go down here to the bottom of my window, and it says preview size, so you're seeing what it is. It brings up the frames. You can add a frame, which gives you a ghost image, but then you have to create everything all over again, and I don't like doing that. So I'm going to copy the frame, and it's going to copy the exact frame that you had. Now I'm going to add to my image. So I'm going to add a little bit to start opening the mouth. I'm going to go ahead and just click copy frame. I'm going to add a little bit more. Copy frame. Add a little bit more. Copy frame. And I'm going to actually start taking things away so that when the GIF happens, it doesn't jump as far. So we're going to just copy the frame. I'm taking things away this time. Copy frame. Erase. Copy frame. So it's now I have two that look exactly the same. And what I'm going to do with this is it's going to pause it a little bit. So when I hit preview, he's now opening and closing his mouth. Now I said that I was thinking about giving him a wink. Because I made such a simplistic GIF, we're going to click out there, click off that ad. I'm going to look at my frames again, and I'm going to start with my wink. So I'm going to go back to frame 2, see how it's highlighted, and I can see where I'm at. I'm going to use my eraser tool and just take away 2 of those. I'm going to go to the next one. I took away 2 that time, so I'm going to take away an extra one. And we're just going to keep on going. And you can preview. So I'm going to start adding the eye back. And now when we preview, he has a wink as well. So we can also make it kind of crazy. And I can go back and I can change his color every time if I want to. So I'm going to make him go rainbow. So he's going to be red in the first frame. He's going to be pink in the next frame. Purple. And you can kind of see the ghost image as it changes. So as I change the color, Got to remember where you're clicking. As you change the color, you can kind of see in the next panel that it's still kind of there. Oh, go away, ad. I don't want you. So I'm just kind of bringing him back to that pinky color, which is just great because now it truly cycles through the colors. So we're going to preview, and now he's colored as well, and the colors change. So when you're done, you're going to download your GIF. I want you to download. Please do not save as .pixel, because then when you turn it in, I cannot see it. So you got to download it. And as you've noticed, it downloads straight to your drive. So that, my friends, is how you create an animated GIF. And then when you are done, I'll see it moving and it'll be wonderful. All right.